tell them what we just did.
Just had a fucking adventure, keeping this thing running. Just got some fuel in her. We're on our way to the car show. Alright guys, so we just pulled up at the meet. It's still pretty dead, as you can see.
Are 12 cars here?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
The truck made it. The timing is way off, so...
Got the girls behind.
Fucking Alfa Romeo. Go V6 Camaro.
Just solid. That sounds decent. Jay's gotta do that. Yeah, I know that guy. You're good, keep coming. Or not. I know this guy.
Oh yeah, fucking spools are no fun on the street.
Spools? Spools are no fun on the street. Got an ugly ass though.
You can actually get some of those for exchange.
Look at the 614 Rice for life.
That's what they cost on
He said that's with exhaust.
With exhaust?
it. That's exhaust. It's got exhaust all the way back here. You look up underneath it.
Oh, I like that.
350 with the MP2 and the TH350. This one's rear wheel. That's all time full wheel.
Hey, it's made by shit.
You only got exhaust coming out of one of them.
Oh, and then you instantly just have to start another one. Hey, redneck, you hear that police chase?
Uh-huh. Somebody took the fuck off of that man.
Somebody just left them. There you go. If that ain't clickbait enough for you, man. Running from the cops and you can hear it in the background. That's like at least 5 cop cars all at once.
Probably, yeah.
You got surround sound hearing. You can hear it just circling us. Here they go. Here they go. On the freeway, your man's left them. Look, and there's another cop behind him, and another cop behind him. Oh, and then you got the burnout from here. Parked and idled. Well, right. Let them know we made it the first 614 car scene meet.
Yep, we made it. First meet. Pretty successful. Yeah, I met some cool people out there. We'll shut this bitch down and start wrenching on it tomorrow, I'm sure.
I wonder if that truck starts every day.
Let me go get him my shit.